It's November 11th, which means it's 11/11 during season 11, and you know what that means. I get to make a wish. So please give me a moment. I need complete silence while I make a wish. It came true! It's Cat Week! Oh my God! Oh, it came through! Okay. To celebrate our Cat Week bonus day, here's one of my favorite cat videos. It's eating with chopsticks, standing up on its legs. I mean, come on, that's just cute. And when I made the wish, in my head, I wished for 2, so let's show one more. Oh, I can't